Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will present a short report on the marigold flower, a colorful and useful plant loved all over the world. The marigold is a vibrant flower usually found in orange and yellow shades. It's widely grown in gardens and homes. Marigolds are used in festival, prayer, and garlands. Their bright colors make them perfect for decoration. One amazing benefit of marigold is that it keeps away insects and pests. Many gardeners plant marigold to protect other crops. Marigold is easy to grow, it blooms quickly, it supports eco-friendly gardening, it has both beauty and health benefit. To preserve marigold all year round, here is what I do. I first gently loosen the soil around the plant using a small tool. Then I carefully removed extra soil stuck to the roots. Finally, I repot the marigold into a fresh pot with new soil. This keeps the plant strong, healthy, and blooming for months. Marigold is more than just a flower. It is helpful, lasting part of our garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening reports and tips. Comment below, do you grow marigold